Windows. Wait, how do I build? Wait, how many blocks I have? What the?
Are you trying to win the ball?
Who?
I don't have
Who's the razor girl? Hey, what's that? Oh, food. Who's that? What's that? But this is not my phone. This is actually my brother's phone.
It's not the right one.
He has a new iPhone. That's why I have a phone. Because my old iPad is broken. Because of my sister broke my phone. I mean, my iPad. And why do I have stupid ads, bro?
She's in an account already. How? She's already in an account.
Yeah. I know. But why do I have this stupid ad? Stop the ad, bro. How do I start the ad?
Is this the shirts? Yeah, I don't have
And
it.
why is this ad playing? And why you keep crashing, bro?
It's fun.
I'm better at this game, bro. Look.
Who are you? I am going.
Look, I'm going. Look at I'm going. See? I'm better.
Where'd you get that?
Oh, a paper airplane. I have one.
You found it?
And why do I have these stupid ads, bro? I hate these ads. Ugh. Yes, it's gone. Wait, why do I have water? Food! Let's go. Food. I don't want to eat it right now.
Get
Ugh.
out.
Wait, horse. Wait, what's that? What's that? What's that?
I have one.
Oh no, I need to do something. I need to do something. Oh, trash. Have it. What do I need to do, bro? Am I dying?
What? Get off me.
I'm getting so much wood, bro. And sticks. Chill, bro.
Chill, bro. You're trying to stop.
Yeah.
This
Bro, this game is so...
is too late. What do you mean it's too late? You're not late. No, you're late on the game. We're about to leave the store.
No, who's late? Hey! Who? Oh, never mind. I have another box there. Wait, what? I need a box. I need the box. Give me the box. No, the box. I need the box. No, the box.
Stop it! You're ruining my game.
But you can't ruin the game,
Do you
bro.
know what dumbfounded me?
You're dumb, bro.
You're dumb. Do you know what dumbfounded me? You're dumb. You're dumb. Do you know what dumbfound means?
How do I...
What do you know? Hey! What is he? Let me tell you something. You know
Stop it.
Stop it. Stop it.
Oh, no. How do...
You know what dumbfounded is?
No, I didn't know what you were talking about.
Dumbfounded is what you see that you like so much that you can't say anything.
I like my phone so much. I don't know why.
That means you like something so much that you can't even say anything.
Oh, what? What is that? What? Like that? You said what the? What is that? Oh. Okay.
Why am I getting kicked out?
Yo, look at our boat, bro.
Okay, who cares?
You
Go on
scared.
that server.
No!
Look, it has so many bots in there.
But I want 1,000.
1,000 bots can't fit in the server.
Yes, it do.
It doesn't.
Yes, it does. What about 1,000,000?
Why is that going?
What about,
What? I mean,
what about 100?
only 10 people.
Yo! Look at this house. Wait,
Okay, who cares? They took forever.
wait, where do we go? I'm stuck here. I'm stuck here. Oh. No! No! Oh. Yes! Yo! How did they build this?
Why is it floating block? We're gonna make
Yo! This place is sick, bro. There's a toy? Yo, how did I build this? How did... Yo! I like this map, bro.
How did I go?
Yeah, this is not bad. How did it build this?
Hi, I'm a screen.
How did it build this?
Why is this not
Why is
working?
there flying stuff?
I can't even go.
Why is there a flying raft, bro? Look.
I just saw that. I let the viewers saw that and then you found it.
Yeah, why is there flying stuff? I didn't know that. Oh, what is this? How did it build this? They're not connected,
I
bro.
just did it. How am I not dumbfounded? You dumb.
Oh,
No, dumbfounded means you see something that you like much that you can't say.
yeah, you're done.
How am I not dumbfounded?
Yeah.
In this server?
You know what 1 plus 1 is?
Yeah.
See? You're dumb.
Yeah.
You're dumb.
Look, that doesn't mean dumbfounded.
Dumbfounded what?
Dumbfounded means you see something that you like.
this worry. And you're surprised.
You don't wait for me. I'm never gonna let you run.
Wow. I like these houses, bro.
I'm not logging you.
How do I...
I'm not logging you until you
How do I... Oh! How do I get there?
I can't.
I can't say it.
do this.
I can't.
So, I'm not.
How do I get here, bro? What happened to me? An ad, bro!
Wait! What if we say you win?
Why do I have
Instead of
an
turning the
ad?
tower into rubble, we work together. Instead of destruction, what if you try redecoration?
Why is there a fat guy in the
Yes, of
ad?
course. You
He's gonna be dumbfounded. That doesn't mean.
Yes! I lost the ad!
That doesn't mean you found something that's dumb.
What's that sound?
Look, get
What the? There's a tornado!
There's no tornado. That's just a door.
We're outside,
We
bro.
ain't outside. We're on the stairs.
Okay.
We're on the stairs.
We're on it? We can't get on it.
We're on it. Look,
Wow, how?
if we sit on it, if we are
There's
not,
a ladder. That's
you just went on the ladder ourselves.
wow. How did it build this?
This
That's the best thing I ever
Look, how
seen.
do we get meat?
How to get meat? I don't know. I burnt. Wow, this
I would took all the chests and
this is.
steal anything that's in the chest.
I thought this was a toilet, bro.
It's not a toilet. But we can't have toilets in this game.
I thought it was one. I thought that's an update. Oh, oh! I need to go up.
Look, it's shut almost eight.
Hey, where's the shorts?
Right there.
What the? Wait, there's no shorts. No, that's my one.
I took it. The shark is right there. And I see you. This is you.
That's wood, bro.
What was that? My sister got you.
Yes, I got the wood.
Oh! Bill! Yes! I got it. I stole it. I don't need the phone. Wait, I don't need this. I'm deleting the things I don't need.
Wait, how you delete stuff?
But what do you want to delete?
No, I just on telling so I know how.
Well, if you don't need anything, then I'll show you.
Show me. Delete something.
I don't have anything that I want to delete. I don't want to delete
Just
anything.
try to delete stuff.
Bro.
Just delete so I know.
But I can't delete
Or
anything.
press anything. But don't delete.
Time to spill the beans.
Bro,
Why is there stupid ads on your phone? I mean, your. I almost said phone, not the F word.
you said F and U to the fudge.
What is that?
How do you not know what fudge is?
That's in the ad.
Fudge?
Oh. Why you? Someone's shirt is ripped. I almost see your armpits, bro.
What's armpit?
You don't know what armpit is? Are you not smart?
But I forgot what it is. What is?
It's this.
They're not. I know why I said I'm leaving this video.
Oh, this is social. I don't want to be in there.
But I'm not
Where's the door?
dumbfounded in this video. I'm gonna play mine.
Why is there so many? What the?
Okay, I'm ending the video. Bye, guys.
I'm not.
How dare we have recorded?
What the?
My recording, I'm not saying that we have recorded. What? Why did you say I was not recording?
What the?
I just recorded.
Wait,
But you
wait, where is it? Okay. And bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah.